To remove an old PFM crown, make a slot on the buccal and occlusal, but only go halfway down on the lingual. Use a diamond on the porcelain. At this point, you are ready to cut through the metal. Our metal buster burr, available on our website, is especially fast at cutting through metal, and it makes the perfect size slot that matches up with our Max crown spreader. Now you're ready to use the Max crown spreader instrument. Notice the curved edge on the side. You can also see that it's wedge-shaped, a little thicker at the top than at the bottom. This allows you to roll the instrument into the buccal slot and lock it in. Once locked in, simply move the instrument up occlusally, up and down apically. Once you see both sides of the crown moving, it's loose and ready for removal.